You can do it as frequently as you'd like for free, and they'll pay you 20 cents. You may earn $1 by copying this URL, pasting it here, and pressing submit every 10 seconds. You can use it to supplement your income even if it won't make you rich. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Visit our website as a starting step. In a moment, I'll tell you the name of this website. As you can see, this is a PLR website with more than 12,590 PR products available for resale, with 100% of the sales revenue going to you. You have access to everything, including articles, online video courses, ebooks, and more. Don't worry, you won't be selling anything. On this website, there is another option that would perpetually offer you 20 cents for free. I'll demonstrate to you in a minute how to earn $1 every 10 seconds. What does PLR actually mean? PLR, or private label rights, refers to the fact that users who sign up for this website for free have unfettered access to download these courses and publications for free, as well as resell, modify, and distribute them for free. They can utilize these items whatever they want, entirely free to do so. Despite the fact that it's wonderful that these products have a variety of licenses available, you are not required to give such things if you are not interested in them. This website can be found at idplr.com. I wanted to begin by making a free account on this website by clicking the Register for Free button. You will be taken to another page where you can choose whether to register as a free member without spending any money by clicking this. Simply click on this link or this link to confirm your email address, since it will send you an email requesting you to do so. To accomplish this, go here where it says Register for Free. On this page, you can register for an account by giving some simple information. The next step is to log into your account, which requires you to provide your email address, confirm that you are not a robot, and then click Next. You will see a dashboard like this after logging into your account. Click Affiliates at the top of this page after scrolling down. Don't worry, neither you nor the people you recommend will be forced to make a purchase. Instead of doing that, you will be distributing something. The words "Make money by advertising our free membership access," and you can earn 20 cents each time someone registers up for a free account using a referral link. You can earn 20 cents each time someone registers up for a free account using your referral link are both prominently posted, as you can see. There is no catch. For each free member you refer, you can receive up to 20 cents. Even if they decide not to make any purchases, you will still receive 20 cents for each sign-up. If you listen to the conclusion, I'll even teach you how to put everything on autopilot. Pure passive income requires no work from you and allows you to make $1 every 10 seconds. As soon as they sign up, you will receive 20 cents, but after that, your commissions will continue to accrue. If you assisted them in becoming gold members, some of them even offered you a 35% commission. But let's concentrate on this free sign-up, since they will make it simpler to generate passive income of $1 every 10 seconds. If you would like, you're welcome to come over and listen to or read about it. The final step involves obtaining your affiliate link, and there are two ways to do it. You could choose to use ClickBank to obtain your affiliate connection. In the event that ClickBank is not offered in your country, they also offer a fallback option. Anyone with internet connection is able to obtain an affiliate link for this program. To find out if ClickBank is available in your country, go to clickbank.com. By just clicking the Start Here button, you can register for free right now. You can create a free account on this page by choosing your country, entering your first and last names, phone number, email address, and password, and then clicking Skip this quick start instruction. Simply ignore this tutorial if you choose not to. If you'd rather not copy your affiliate link from this page, you can input your ClickBank login in this form. When you click Create, a unique affiliate link will be sent to you. However, if ClickBank is unavailable where you are, or if you are unable to register with it, you can contact them by clicking here to open a support ticket, calling them at this number, or sending them an email. Please contact us if your country is not listed on ClickBank or you are unable to use ClickBank for some other reason. They request. If you let them know that you are unable to join the ClickBank affiliate network, they will still be able to provide you with exclusive affiliate link. Fourth, go to bit.ly.com to shorten your affiliate link after acquiring it directly from ClickBank or IDPLR. Just enter your lengthy affiliate link here and then click Shorten from the drop-down box that displays. The link is still the same and will still direct users to the same page, but because it is now more obvious and appealing, there is a higher chance that they will click on it. Step 5 allows you to share your shortened affiliate link in order to make $1 in 20 seconds, utilizing 2 free options and 1 paid method. Start publishing some videos in any niche in YouTube as the initial free choice. Don't worry, you're not required to make these videos yourself. If you simply do a keyword search and filter your results according to Creative Commons, the videos that shows up in the search results are all eligible for re-uploading to YouTube. For example, to use this movie, open it, go to Share section, click the Share button, then copy the URL. Google YTMP4 after leaving here. To download the video to your device, choose one of these websites from the list of results, open it, and type the video's URL there. After choosing download, you can upload that YouTube video to your YouTube channel with your affiliate link at the top of the description and direct viewers there to sign up for free and download various courses, ebooks related to the topic, etc. IDPLR.com has a ton of different categories, all of which have free products, which is fantastic. These kinds of movies don't cost anything to watch, so people are more likely to act and sign up for the free courses after seeing them. In only 10 seconds, you may earn $1 by re-uploading those films on YouTube, and over the next few months or year, YouTube will continue to pay you 20 cents in pure passive income. The number of views on these videos will quickly reach the thousands or possibly millions. At shortcart.com, you have a second paid alternative. Even though it costs more, doing it this way is a lot easier and definitely produces better outcomes. On this platform, you may buy mentions on social media from well-known users in a certain industry. For instance, it only costs $20 to shout out on a page with more than 100,000 followers. For just $20, your affiliate link will be viewed by 100,000 people. The best part is that you're not trying to sell them anything. Instead, you're giving them free items. As a result, you'll probably receive a ton of signups. Even if only 200 out of 100,000 individuals sign up, you will still get your money back and make some money. It will cost more than $200 to register even 1,000 people, and so forth. Then, you may continue to process forever by using that money to purchase more shoutouts from various pages. Ordering here literally only takes 10 minutes, and things just get better from there. Following that, you can relax and take pleasure in your passive income. The final free strategy for promoting an affiliate link is to simply join different Facebook groups. It's quite simple, and you can find millions of individuals who are interested in the products you're giving away for free while earning thousands of dollars each month by joining various Facebook groups. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.